So we know the musical alphabet. A couple of these notes that we've been playing are very specific letters of that alphabet. Let's go for the middle note again. Try to match that sound. Remember, it's not lower and it's not higher. For now, we're just going to go for that middle one. Play it with me. That is a letter of the alphabet, and it's the letter F. So think of the letter F while you play that note again. The lower one that we can get is another letter of the alphabet. It starts with a B, but it's actually called B flat. So let's not worry about why it has the word flat next to it yet. Let's just remember that it's called B flat. So let's play the lower note, which is a B flat. Try it with me. Let's play the one that's a little bit higher, the F. And let's go back down to B flat. So you should know by now, if I look at you in band and I say, play me an F, you're going to know exactly what that is. Or if I look at you and say, play me a B flat, you'll know what to do. Now I'm going to go back and forth between F and B flat, and I want you to copy the pattern that I make. Try it. I'm going to do a different one this time. Try it. Let's do one more. Listen. Try it. So go back and forth trying those two letters, those two names, thinking B flat and F, and know that they're two different tones, two different notes.